Welcome to the D.TO tutorial series. In this video we will dive deep into how to create classification and understand them in depth. The classification system acts as a bridge connecting your details to design sessions, enabling you to easily find and use your company's details during the detailing process. It allows the platform to recognize relevant details and suggest them to you through a logical delivery pipeline. There are multiple ways to create classifications. The first method is through the Classification List tab. To begin, navigate to this tab and click the Create Classification button. The process is similar to creating a design session. Start by entering the classification name, selecting the appropriate project phase, view type, and view context. Next, filter the correct condition by selecting the relevant assemblies from the list and then defining the appropriate condition. After that, select the modules associated with the chosen assemblies. Once everything is set, click the Save Classification button to add the new classification to the list. We've now successfully created a classification. Another way to create a classification is during the process of uploading a detail to the platform. Let's walk through this by uploading a detail. In this example, I'm uploading a new detail to the platform. When we reach the classification section, you'll notice an Add New button. It's important to note that creating a classification during the upload process is only available to users with the manager, admin, or owner roles. Clicking the Add New button opens the classification creation screen. The process is the same as we explored earlier. You begin by entering the classification name, phase, view type, and view context. Then, you define the correct condition by selecting the appropriate assemblies from the drop-down list. After that, you choose the relevant modules. Once everything is set, click the Save Classification button, and the new classification will be added to the list. We understand that the same detail is often applicable across multiple design scenarios, even when the assembly modules differ. However, the classification system can sometimes be overly sensitive when suggesting company details. This is because it tries to match the classification of uploaded details exactly with what's been set up in the design session. This is where generic modules become extremely useful. By assigning generic modules, you allow a single detail to be recognized across various design sessions, regardless of the specific assemblies. This adds a valuable layer of flexibility to the classification system, making it easier to reuse your details in a wider range of design contexts. Let's see how this works on the platform. In this example, I'm uploading a detail to the company library. When I reach the classification section, I'll create a new classification. Let's say I want this detail to capture the transition between a rain screen and a membrane roof finishes. In that case, I'll assign generic inner modules to both the exterior wall and flat roof assemblies and then save the classification. Once you are done with the upload process, make sure to publish the detail after this. This makes sure that the detail can be served to you during future design sessions. Now let's create some design sessions to see how generic modules help the detail be visible in design sessions. Here, I'm creating a design session. After selecting the appropriate condition, I choose the rain screen with metal framing inner module for the exterior wall assembly and the membrane roofing with wood framing inner module for the flat roof assembly. Once the design session is created, the detail we previously uploaded appears in the panel on the right. The logical delivery pipeline ignores inner module selection in the design session if we don't have a company detail with the appropriate inner module, and displays the company details with generic inner modules. Let's look at a different design session. Here, I select the rain screen with cast-in-place concrete inner module for the exterior wall assembly and membrane roofing with wood framing inner module for the flat roof assembly. Once the design session is created, we see that the previously uploaded detail appears here as well. This demonstrates how generic modules are a powerful tool for adding flexibility to the classification system. They're especially helpful when you need to reuse the same detail across multiple design sessions. In the next video, we'll explore how to upload your company families to the library and use them in design sessions. Thanks for watching.